Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to change your Discord username using the desktop app. Changing your username allows you to personalize your account and update the name that other users see on Discord. Let us get started. The first thing is to open Discord on your computer. Once Discord opens, look at the bottom left corner of the window and click the User Settings icon, which appears as a gear next to your username. In the User Settings menu, click on Account from the left-hand panel. Under the Account section, locate your current username. Next to your username, click the Edit button. A window will appear allowing you to edit your account information. In the username field, delete your current username and type the new username you would like to use. Discord will automatically check whether the username is available. If the username is already taken, try another variation until you find one that is available. Once you have entered your desired username, review the information to make sure everything is correct. If prompted, enter your account password to confirm the change. After that, click Done or Save Changes to update your username. Discord will apply the changes immediately, and your new username will be displayed throughout the platform. And that is how to change your Discord username on Discord desktop. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next video.